Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about important logical program. The program is about longest substring without duplicate characters. For example, this is our string and we have to find the longest substring without duplicate character. In the last example we have found the length of the longest substring without duplicate character, but in this case we have to find the string, like here it's ABC, right? So last time we have found the length as a 3, but now we have to print the ABC characters, the longest substring without duplicate character, right? So that's our motto. So let's understand about this code. I have created one class, important logical program, and inside this class we have two methods. One is main method, obviously, and inside this main method we are calling the longest substring method. This is here longest substring method, and we are passing parameter as a string. String yes is equal to ABC, ABC, BB, and string result, and we are storing a result in the result, and we are printing here system.out.println longest substring plus result. So this method will be called here and we will get the result. So this method will return the string longest substring, right? So let's understand this longest substring method. This is static method and we will get the parameter that we have passed in the main method, right? So we have first of all took this a set of characters is equal to new hash set. Why we have taken hash set? Because it only allows unique characters. That's the reason we have taken set, hash set. And then we have three different variables: integer left is equal to 0, integer maximum length is equal to 0, integer start index is equal to 0. So then let's understand this for loop. So this is very important. There are two different conditions in the for loop. One is while loop, one is if condition, and one is we are just adding characters inside the set. So let's understand for loop from beginning. Integer right is equal to 0, right is less than yes dot length right plus plus. So yes is a string that we will get, and yes length means currently it's 8, right? 6 3 3 6 to 8. So the loop will execute from 0 to right is less than 8. So it will run for the 8 iterations. So let's understand this while loop. So for the very first iteration, when right is 0, right? So while set dot contains yes dot char at right. So char at right is 0. So char at 0th, on the 0th index we will be a. So set dot contains a. So the a is not present in the set. Set is completely empty, right? For the very first iteration. So this loop works when duplicate character appears. So a is not present inside the set right now because we have not added yet. So this loop will not execute. Then the set dot add yes dot caret right. So caret right is 0, yes dot caret 0 is a, right? Currently, so a will be added inside the set. Now we have added a. Again, in the if condition we will check right minus left plus 1, max is greater than max length. So right is 0, minus 1 0 plus 1. So 1 is greater than max length is 0. So 1 is greater than 0, yes. Then max length is equal to right minus left plus 1, which will become as a 1, right? So max length value got increased from 0 to 1, and start index is equal to left. So left is 0, so start index will also be 0. Again, for the next iteration, when right value is 1, now while set dot contains yes dot char at 1, char at 1. So b is also not present inside the set right now, right? So this condition will fail and it will not work. And again, set dot add yes dot char at 1 will be b will get added into the set. Again, here value of right is 1, minus 0, 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 is greater than 1, max length is 1, right? So now 2 is greater than 1, so condition passed. So max length is equal to right minus left plus 1. So value will increase from 0 to 1 to 2, right? Again, start index is equal to 0 only. Again, for the next iteration, right value will be 2, yes dot set dot contains yes dot char at 2. So char at 2 is c. Now again, c is not present inside the set, so this loop will not work. Again, set dot add yes dot caret 2 will be c, right? So set will add c inside the set, we will add c, right? Again, right is 2, minus left 0, 2 plus 1 3 is greater than 2. So max length will get updated to 3 because 2 plus 1 will be 3, right? Now for the fourth iteration, we have value character as a, right? So right value will be 3. So set dot contains yes dot caret 3. So caret 3 is a. So we have already inside the set a. So this condition passed now because a is present already inside the set. So as I said, this while loop only works when the duplicate character appears. So now duplicate character is a, it appeared, so this will work. Set dot remove yes dot caret left. So left we have 0. So on this yes dot caret left is a. Yes, so a will be removed from the set, and now left value will increase from 0 to 1. Again, set dot add yes dot caret right. So right is 3. Then yes dot caret 3 is caret 3. We have a. So again, set dot add a. So we will add a because we have already removed here a, right? So we will add a. Again, if right minus left plus 1, right is 3 minus left is 1, 3 minus 1 2 plus 1 3, 3 is greater than 3. So 3 is now, the condition is failing here, so the loop will not execute. Again, for the next iteration, the same thing, the same way, the loop will execute for all the rest of the string, and whenever the duplicate character will appear, this loop will execute. It will remove the uh, value from the set, and it will value increase the value of left. Again, this loop will not execute, and this is how it will work. And finally, we will get the unique string. So for getting a unique string, we have used yes dot substring start index. Start index is the value of the here, right? So initially we have taken start index as 0, but the value will increase for whenever this loop will execute, and left value will get increased. So start index is 0, and a start index plus maximum length. Maximum length is this one. So this is the maximum unique character length. So we will return this s dot substring start index comma start index plus maximum length. So in the example, we will get ABC, right? So start index is 0 and maximum length is 3. So we will get ABC as a return. So let's execute the code and check whether we will get the unique string or not. So longest substring is ABC. We are getting the correct answer. Also, we can change some code. Let's add a here, R. So now it should give us ABCR, right? So that is the longest substring without duplicate characters. So yeah, the code is working, and this is how we can find the longest substring without duplicate character. We will return the string. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.